Commandments of Driving Safety. First, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, not fatigued. I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. I do not disobey highway sign and traffic signals. I do not make a twist without signaling my intention. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. I will not be careless when cruising at intersection. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. I will be cautious and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. Ten Commandments of Safety Traveling. First, thou shalt not gaze at telephone. Thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Thou shalt not or neither drive intoxicated. Thou shalt not take any chances. Thou shalt back call of my kids. Thou shalt not drive a side bright. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. Thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. Thou shalt keep thy distance. Thou shalt practice patience. And the last 10 commandments of traffic. First, keep right. Second, observe road courtesy. Third, prohibited parking. Fourth, in the dump, do not overtake. Fifth, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. Sixth, rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measures. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come first serve vehicle. 9. On pedestrian. And 10. Remember the international driving safety reminders. Thank you.